Stop staring at a million different screens, because I'm about to show you how to connect TradingView to KuCoin for effortless trading directly from your charts. First, head over to TradingView and open up a chart for the cryptocurrency you want to trade. It could be Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any other coin listed on KuCoin. Next, look down at the bottom of your chart. You'll see a panel, and within that, you'll find the Trading Panel button. Click on it. A list of supported brokers will pop up. Scroll through and locate KuCoin. Once you find it, click the Connect button next to the KuCoin logo. A KuCoin Login window will appear. Enter your KuCoin account, email, and password, and then click Login. Make sure you're on the real KuCoin website, and always practice safe security habits. KuCoin will ask you to authorize TradingView's access to your account. Review the permissions carefully, and if you're comfortable, click Authorize. And that's it. You're now connected. You should see your KuCoin account balance displayed in the trading panel. Now you can place orders directly from your TradingView charts, making your trading workflow so much smoother. Good luck.